Hey, hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. So we again have a lot of new openings that have recently come up, and also some of the ones are from the last video that I made, which are still open. So you can still consider applying to those if you haven't already. So if you want to always stay updated with these job opportunities and different openings, you may consider subscribing to this channel and do share it around with your friends or contacts who are looking for jobs right now. So without wasting any much time, let's quickly move on to the openings one by one. All right. So the first one that we have is again from JP Morgan and Chase, which is still open right now, and you can definitely consider applying to this if you haven't already. The role is for a software engineer. Job location will be at Bangalore. You need to apply to this before 3rd of March, and then this is a full-time role, not an internship, and you can go through this is for any bachelor's degree is fine, and then the requirements are basically knowledge of any programming language, C++, Java, all languages, and basically software improvement, business analysis, development, all that. That's pretty much it about the requirements. You can hit this button to apply and do it fast because this ends very soon. All right, so the next opportunity is from Zoho, and the role is for a technical support engineer. This is not a development profile. Experience can be 0 to 2 years, and people who have graduated from 2018 to 2020 can apply. These are the job locations. Then basically technical support engineer is basically contacting for product features and capabilities through email, chat, phone, that kind of a role, and you'll be working with the development team. And then they're looking for people with proficiency in the English language, attention to detail, should be willing to work in night shifts, and must be interested in accounting and finance side. So if you have written this test in the last 3 months, then you cannot apply, so make sure of that. And students who are graduating in 21 are not eligible as of now. So the ones who are eligible, you can fill this form and hit this submit button to apply. All right, next openings are from HackerEarth, and currently there are 2 open positions from HackerEarth. First is the full stack problem setter intern, which we already discussed last time as well. This is still open. You can apply with this button. And basically, I've already gone through all this. You need to be aware of Spring Boot, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, front-end technologies, and Git version control and REST APIs. So you can apply using this button. And then there's also another opening for HackerEarth, which is for a software engineer. So this is the recent one that has come up. Students who have graduated from 2018 to 2020 are all eligible for this one. So this one is basically a software engineering profile in Bangalore, and this is a full-time position, not an internship. You can go through this roles and responsibilities. Basically, you'll be working with MySQL and Django and DevOps. Then you need to have an experience of at least 1 year, and then development on a Linux-based environment, basic SQL queries, SQL, Python, Ruby, shell scripting languages. All those are fine, and then you can hit this button to apply. So make sure you apply to both these positions. Both HackerEarth opportunities are currently available. For freshers, you can apply for the internship role, and then for graduates, you can apply for the full-time software engineering role. All right, next we have openings from Amazon, and there are a couple of them. First is for a SDE for full stack. This is for the AWS team in Bangalore, a full-time position. So basically, Amazon's Elasticsearch service team is hiring for this role. You need to be aware of HTML, CSS, Java, AWS services, and Node.js, AngularJS, React.js. So front end and back end on JavaScript, full stack development position. Then you need to have experience of at least 2 years. So people who have graduated in 2019 can apply, but still the 2020 graduates can also apply. If you are eligible, then you may get the call back and hit this button to apply. Then the next one is also from Amazon, which is for SDE1 in Amazon Physical Stores Tech. You need 2 years of experience, and you should be aware of Java, Scala, C Sharp, C++, and object-oriented designing. All these, and hit this button to apply. Job location is again in Bangalore, Karnataka. So these are the 2 from Amazon right now. Also, you can go to this Amazon jobs portal and search for openings. There are a lot of openings available in Amazon. So you can just sort them by the recent uploaded date and you can apply. Okay, next is again from Uber, and I've already discussed this in the last video. This is for data engineer 2 role, and this is still open in Bangalore, a full-time position. So this is not for the freshers, for experienced people only, and you can still go ahead and apply to this one if you want, if you haven't already applied. And make sure you do this fast because this might be closing in very soon. Okay, next one is from Credit Suisse, another great company to work at, and the location will be in Pune, and basically a full-time role in the technology field. This is the job ID. You can go through this before applying. The skills mentioned are technology stack you'll be working with is Java, C++, Python, Oracle, SQL Server, HTML, Angular. They've pretty much mentioned everything. Machine learning, AI, cloud migration. And it's not that you need to be an expert in all of these technologies. If you're familiar with some of these also, you can apply. Hit this button to apply, and make sure you apply before this one ends. Okay, so the next one again is from Google, and I've already discussed about this one as well. This is for university graduate, people graduating in 2021, this year itself. Location is in Bangalore and Hyderabad, and this one is still open and accepting applications. So make sure you do apply to this one as soon as you can. The qualifications are basically bachelor's degree and knowledge in C++, Java, Python, and you should be pretty comfortable with data structures and algorithms to clear the coding interview rounds. So yeah, for freshers, definitely apply to this as fast as you can. So the next opening is from Barclays, which is also another great company. Job location will be Pune, and this is also for a technology role. And this is actually an internship, Insights intern. So they are looking for people with experience with Python and OOPS concepts, data structures, good with SQL concepts and version control, Git, understanding of DevOps. And then these are the skills that will help you in your role: HTTP protocol, web services, and REST API calls. So you can go through all this once and hit this button to apply. if you find this job according to your liking, and this has come up recently only on the 10th of March. So make sure you apply as fast as possible. All right, so the next opening is at Goldman Sachs for a software engineer role. Job location is at Bangalore. A full-time role for a software engineer and associate level role. This I've already gone through once and it's still open, so apply if you haven't already. You need to be aware of Java, SQL queries, databases, then have a bachelor's degree in computer science only, they're accepting. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hit this button to apply as soon as possible, and moving on to the last one. So the last opening that I have for you guys right now is for Bank of America, and for this one the job location is at Hyderabad. This has been posted on the 10th of March again, similar to the last one, a full-time role. And you can go through this once for the job description. For this one, the skills required are mostly around like problem solving, strong analytical skills, good communication skills, written, oral, and knowledge about debit cards, and basically you'll be a team member for the functioning of Bank of America related products. And then they have mentioned that you need to have an experience range of 0 to 2 years. So freshers can also apply, and all graduates are allowed to apply to this one. No specific branch restrictions are there. And then these are some desired skills that they're wanting. And then they mentioned some work timings and job locations. So hit this button to apply. This is currently open. I'm not sure for how long this will be open. So make sure you apply to this as fast as possible. So yeah, those were all the openings that we had available for now. And I'll keep on coming up with the new ones as they come along and as I keep finding them. And the links to all these positions and openings will be mentioned in the description box below. So make sure you check that out and apply to whichever ones that you want. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for more updates regarding different openings and positions that are coming up, because these openings only stay live for 2 to 5 days or 1 week at max. So make sure you're always updated and apply as soon as you can. Also share the channel with some of your friends or networks who are looking for jobs. And if you're preparing, then I keep posting material about coding interview preparation and data structures, algorithms, and all about software engineering. So if you are into that software engineering domain, or if you are preparing for the same, then I hope you'll find a lot of helpful material on this channel, as I keep posting videos regularly every week. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you very soon with all the new openings in the next video.